Alright everyone, welcome back to the eCoreAcademy e-learning platform. My name is AJay Raj, back with yet another eCore Express Java lesson for you all. And this lesson is going to be a little bit different from what we've been doing so far in this unit. This unit 2 has been all on inputs and outputs, our first official lesson-heavy topic unit of our course on Java. But now we're going to be moving on to our practice section of this unit. We've already reinforced our lesson topics on expressions, variables, and statements. Now we're going to be starting the exercises in order to help practice and reinforce those lesson topics, showing you what actual problems might be looking like and how to approach them. So this is our first exercise of this unit. This is going to be on print statements. Specifically, we're going to take a look at a practice exercise on printing basic statements to the console, reviewing something that was a little bit more of a basic concept when it came to statements in our lessons, in our previous lessons to this video. So we're going to be building off of these prior lessons and putting this to practice. So without further ado, let's switch over to our Eclipse workspace so we can do some real-time practice. All right, so now that we've switched over to our Eclipse workspace, what we're going to do first is we're going to be creating a new class, and we're going to call this class within our Unit 2 inputs and outputs unit. We're going to just create a new class, and this is going to be starting our exercises. So this new class is going to be called Name, Age, and Street. Try and create it the same way that I did, the public class, name it Name, Age, and Street. So this class is going to be one of our exercises. So in this exercise, as you can see here on the screen, I just want you to type out the prompt so that you have it with you when you refer back to it and you've done the actual code, you know what the actual prompt was. So the exercise prompt for this exercise is we're going to be creating a program that allows you to print your age, your name, and the name of your street to the console window. So we're going to be utilizing that system.out.println statement. We're going to be utilizing our proper syntax, and we're going to print out those three sets of information to our console window. So let's go start off first. This, we do not need to call in and import turtle graphics. We don't need to input any external functions. We're just printing simple information out to our console. So this is a bit more of a basic exercise. So we're going to start out with our system.out.println statement here. We'll put a semicolon at the end. And since we're going to be printing out information, actual text, we're not printing out any variables, we can put this within double quotations. Now, within our first set of double quotations, remember the first thing that we want to print out is our age. So let's say our age here. So let's say age, and then we're going to put right after that whatever your age is. I'm going to make up a random age. Let's say 12. All right. Next thing that we're going to do is we're going to hit enter. We're going to create a new system.out.println statement. Because remember, when you're creating system.out.println statements, if you want to enter the statement, you just have to put it on the next line of your actual code. That way, this ln part of your code, it's going to just automatically hit enter, and it'll write the new line of code that you want to print to your console. So here, we're going to set our next set of our next piece of information. That's going to be our name. So let's say name. I'll make up a random name. I'll just say my name is John. So we just put our name to the console, and now the final piece of information, we're going to print the name of our street. So let's say system.out.println, then double quotes, put our semicolon at the end, and then here we're just going to say name of street here, and then we're just going to say Elm Street, just as an example. All right, so now that as you can see here, we just showed our example here. We just printed out our three pieces of information: our age, our name, and the name of our street. We're going to print this out to our console to see if everything shows up. So as you can see here, it did correctly show up. We printed out our age, 12 years old, our name, John, and the name of our street, Elm Street. Just three made up pieces of information. But the real important concept here is that you were able to print out those three sets of information, organize them, and print them out to your console. So if you did that successfully, congrats. All right, everyone, so that'll be it for today's lesson. Please make sure to like and subscribe down below and leave a comment as well to help support the channel. Check out our website as always and email us if you have any questions. So that has been AJ for this lesson, and I will see you all in the next video.